Okay, within the fraction common denominator video, we're going to subtract 3/4 from 5/7. But since we know the denominator definition is it's the number the whole number is cut into, but the number of equal sized pieces the whole number is cut into. So you can already tell here that we cannot subtract this if it's 3/4 because that denominator is not the same as 5/7. So we're going to have to make a common denominator. And we can do this just by multiplying it by 7, and the 7 I got from this denominator, because if I multiplied this by 4, which is from this denominator, we are going to get a common denominator. So 3 times 7 is 21, over 4 times 7 is 28, and then if you go 5 times 4 is 20, all over 7 times 4, which is 28. So you can see the common denominator. So I'm going to do this with the candy bars so it makes more sense. First, we're going to start out with our 3/4. And I'm going to go ahead and split this into 4 groups because this is our denominator. It's what the whole number is cut into. And then I'm going to shade in 3 pieces of this candy bar because the 3 is the numerator, which is the number of those pieces that we're actually considering. And then, since we multiplied 4 by 7 to get the common denominator and 3 by 7 for the common denominator, we're going to need to split our candy bar into 7 pieces. Okay, so we can go ahead and count these up. The shaded part is our numerator, and the unshaded part, the whole of it, is our denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All over 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Which is good because this matches what we multiplied up here. And just to clear things up, the definition of a fraction is the amount of stuff you have if you took the whole object and sliced it into a bunch of equally sized pieces and then considered some of those pieces, which is exactly what we did right here. So now I'm going to do 5/7 of my candy bar so I can subtract these. So again, we're going to use our denominator to slice it into 7 pieces. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then again, we're gonna shade in 5 of those pieces because that is our numerator, number of pieces we're actually considering. So we're going to do the same thing we did over here because since we multiplied this by 4 to get the common denominator and multiplied 5 by 4 to get the common denominator, then we're going to do the same thing, but instead of 7 here, we're going to split this into 4 groups. So again, the shaded part is our numerator, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 pieces we're considering. All over the denominator, which is the whole thing, the number of whole that it's cut into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Which is perfect because we aligned the same that we did up here when we multiplied them out. We have the same denominator in each, so we can go 21 minus 20, which is 1, all over 28 to get the same thing that we got up here.